Hey everyone! So after Google's Pixel 7 Pro was leaked in a hands-on unboxing video, there isn't much to learn about the smartphone since we previously knew certain details about it. Meanwhile, one aspect to which we have not paid close attention is the CPU of Pixel 7 Pro. Google announces a hardware event for the Pixel 7 and Pixel Watch on October 6 and says that the Pixel 7 series will use the new Tensor D2 processor. Finally, Google confirmed their direction for the upcoming series in time for the introduction of the Pixel 7 in October. The Google Tensor processor made its debut as the powerhouse behind the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro and the Pixel 6a later, and the company has now revealed that their next phone series will employ the second generation Tensor D2 chip. Tensor chip was created in collaboration with Samsung to improve Exynos-like internal Google machine learning capabilities. Google made the decision to give the CPU its own features. The Pixel phones may provide features like Magic Eraser, which eliminates unwanted persons and distractions from pictures, even if the Tensor processor isn't the most powerful and energy efficient. Google made an update to its online store today to display the Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 7 in the colors that will be offered. These options for the Pixel 7 Pro includes Obsidian, Hazel and Snow. The color options for the Pixel 7 includes Obsidian, Lemongrass and Snow. The company also stated that these phones would be powered by the Google Tensor 2. With the next-gen Google Tensor processor, Pixel 7 series will offer even more useful personalized features to image, video, security and speech recognition. Google says about its suffer more effort as a chip designer. Hopefully, this will provide hints as to what Google will reveal at the event next month. As the firm has hardly kept quiet regarding the Pixel 7 software and just shown the device outside, the word security might be reference to the face unlock function that the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are currently actively developing, or it could just be a general enhancement in security. So what do you think about this Tensor chip? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.